Hi, I'm Ben from Meta Solutions and I'm running the digital marketing workshop today. We're going to cover SEO, Google Ads, social, content marketing, and we're going to put it all together.
My name is Michael Kwijtel. I'm the founder and owner of OneKPI. So I attended Meta Solutions workshop this morning and I found it fantastic. It's exactly what I need, and I'd encourage everyone to come along next time.
G'day, my name's Bruce Neen. I work for Childhood Cancer Support. So by supporting the breakfast, your funds go towards helping house regional families. So you're really making quite a big difference in the lives of families going through some really tough challenges.
My name is Grace Taylor and I am a marketing manager for ACL Welding Supply. Yeah, I think Ben was, he was a great educator and a great teacher really. He was quite engaging, so that was enjoyable.
I think what really stuck with me is the confidence that Ben and his team exude about what they're doing and are really demystifying some of the myths that others are trying to sell. And I'd encourage everyone to come along next time.